In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put GIF in Notion cover. Adding a GIF to your Notion page cover is a great way to make your workspace more personal, more visual, and more engaging. Whether you're using Notion for notes, projects, or creative work, a moving cover can help your page stand out and feel more alive. The process is simple, and once you know how it works, you can update your covers anytime to match your style or mood. To begin, open the Notion page where you want to add a GIF cover. If your page doesn't have a cover yet, go to the top of the page and click Add a Cover. Notion will automatically apply a default cover image for you. Don't worry about what it looks like for now, because we're going to change it. Once the cover appears, move your cursor over it and click Change Cover. This will open the cover options where you can replace the default image with your own GIF. Next, go to any website that offers GIFs. Find the GIF you want to use as your cover. Once you've chosen one, copy the link. You can do this by copying the URL from the address bar or by using a copy link button if the website provides one. After copying the link, return to your Notion page. Under the Change Cover options, click Link. Paste the GIF link into the field, then click Submit. Notion will immediately load the GIF and set it as your page cover. If the GIF looks good but isn't positioned the way you want, you can easily adjust it. Click Reposition on the cover, then drag the image up or down until it sits exactly where you prefer. This allows you to control which part of the GIF is most visible, especially if it has important details or motion you want to highlight. Once you're happy with the position, click Save, and your changes will be applied instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF as your Notion cover, giving your page a more dynamic and personalized look. You can repeat this process anytime to switch covers or try different GIFs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.